This is a final video to fix the Discord friend request failed error. Are you tired of seeing that message every time you try to add a friend? This usually happens because of a temporary server issue, a network glitch, or incorrect Discord settings. Most solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, leaving you frustrated. But today, on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that works fast. All you need to do is adjust a quick setting and refresh your connection. It's that easy. If you want a full step-by-step guide, comment below, and I'll make a detailed tutorial just for you. Follow this tip, and your friend request will finally go through without hassle. Stay tuned with Rexist for more easy fixes.